Hello, it is day 29, March 23rd, I believe, and we are headed out of the Smokies. We left Cosby Knob shelter this morning. Geez, I can't think of the name of the shelter we're going to, but it'll be my biggest day, or our biggest day. A little over 17 miles today is the plan. We're almost up this mountain. I think there's a fire tower up here, so I'll definitely check that out. And then it's dropped down into Davenport Gap, and then we're out of the Smokies. And then we've got a pretty good climb. I think it's like a 3 or 4 mile climb, 4 miles, I believe. And then drop to where we're gonna stay for the night. Feeling pretty good. A little twinge in my left knee, but that hits every once in a while. Actually in the back of that knee, but I don't know. It's just grin and bear it, I guess. But it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. As you can see, just saw a big old pile of bear poop right in the middle of the trail. Was really hoping to see a bear in the Smokies. I guess they're out and about, I guess, but no luck so far. That shelter that we stayed at last night, Cosby Knob, actually had a warning. Wasn't closed, but they had the shelter open. But I guess there's a problem bear in the area, so we were very careful with our food. But that's about it. I'm going to keep walking on the side of this mountain up to the top of it, and I'll talk to you later. To see a bear in the Smokies. I know it's pretty windy, but just got to the top of Snowbird Peak at a Davenport Gap on our way to Hot Springs, and whew, it was a pretty good climb. Had me pooped out there a little bit. I had to dip into the bag of Skittles to get me through some of them. I think it was about 4 miles up, and we went from this isn't going to be exact, but I think we went from about 1,500 feet to about 4,300 feet, so pretty good ascent. Anyway, I think it's downhill for the rest of the day. Got another, I don't know, 3 miles or so to finish off this. It's close to 18 miles for the day. Otherwise feel pretty good. Feet are sore, but that's normal. Yeah, so I guess there's a lot of bear activity in this area. Like lots of comments on the app on Gut Hooks about people seeing bears. Most of them were from November of last year, but a few of them were from March this year. People saw bears. I guess they're prone to stealing backpacks and food bags, so they say be pretty careful about how you hang stuff at night. Make sure you get everything out of your bag, which I will do, because I want my food. I like my food. That's about it. I will talk to you later.